Apple's chief executive Tim Cook wants China's 1.1 billion mobile phone users to be among the first markets to launch his company's new products in the future. In a rare interview with Chinese media during his second visit to the country since March of last year, Cook said Apple is always working hard to help shorten the approval process for the company's products to enter China's market. He said shortening this timing gap between the Chinese mainland and other markets is one of his highest priorities. Apple enthusiasts in China have to wait longer to buy the company's latest products. For example, the iPhone 5, which started selling in the U.S. in September of last year, only reached shelves in China on December 14th. Apple opened its first outlet in China in 2008 in Beijing's Sanlitun, and since then it has opened 10 more stores in the country, including 3 in Hong Kong. Cook said Apple will continue to expand in China and the number of retail stores will exceed 25. During his visit, Cook met Miao Wei, Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, and discussed the development of China's information technology industry, global mobile communications, and Apple's business in China. Rumors continue to swirl on Apple's potential cooperation with China Mobile, the world's largest telecom carrier with a customer base of more than 700 million. Cook said he respected China Mobile very much but could not reveal any information about a possible cooperation. Shandy Shen, a telecoms analyst at Gartner China, said there is only a small chance that Apple and China Mobile will reach an agreement within the next 6 months, as China Mobile is sticking to a homegrown telecommunications standard that Apple does not currently support. Shen said Apple may resolve the obstacle after China Mobile starts rolling out its new 4G TD-LTE technology. Many analysts have said that Apple's business in China will be incomplete if it does not cooperate with China Mobile.